If you're charged with a DUI in the state of Maryland, first of all, you need to know that it carries a maximum penalty of a year in jail, a $1,000 fine, and potentially 12 points on your license, and possible revocation and/or suspension of your driving privileges in the state of Maryland. There's a very short time span in the state of Maryland in which to make a decision as to what to do with your driving privileges, for instance. You only have 10 days. So if you don't consult with an attorney within that time frame, you're behind the 8 ball and you're going to make a wrong decision.
About 18 years ago, I had some criminal misconduct in Charles County, Maryland, and I was fearing for my life, and it was extremely nerve-wracking. I needed a good lawyer, and I heard he was one of the best in the area, and he used to be in the prosecutor's office.
You need to understand that the state of Maryland, through the prosecutor's offices in the county in which you were arrested, are working on your case immediately upon receipt of that case from the police officer. And so if you wait, you lose the opportunity to work on your case, you lose the opportunity to preserve evidence, you lose the opportunity to get out in front of the prosecution and end up with a successful result. So that's the reason why I've gone out to get the credentials that I have and possess the credentials. I'm both board certified by the National College of DUI Defense as well as the American Bar Association. And in addition, I'm a forensic lawyer scientist by the American Chemical Society. And I've taken lots and lots of training. For instance, I'm an instructor in standardized field sobriety testing. So I know the standardized field sobriety tests often better than the police do. And this is what I consider as the X factor. In other words, this is the ability to get a better result when you hire an attorney who really knows how to cross-examine the police officers and really knows how to figure out what the best defense is.
Well, Andy, from day one, was fearless in court. Everything they threw at me, if it wasn't in my best interest, he wouldn't go for it. And he made sure at the end of the day that everything in my best interest we got. I would definitely recommend Andy on any level of any legal capacity you might need him in, because, as I would say, he gets the job done.
If you have any questions about any of this, call my office. I'd love to help you out in any way I can.